Gracie
and Brianna's cooking show.
Today we're making jambalaya. We got meat and chicken, we got shrimp, wild rice, celery and onion, we got tomatoes,
Chicken stock. What's this?
wine,
Olive oil, salt and pepper,
and onion, milk.
And there was chicken and sausage in that bowl?
Yes.
Okay, and did you pre-season the meat already?
Yep, and the shrimp.
Okay, so what's our first steps before we do anything?
We wash our hands.
Right, so you girls have already done that. So now what we're doing is we're warming up the pot. Are you warming up the pot?
Yep.
Okay, and I see over here, what's on this spoon?
Butter. We're
Okay.
going to put the butter in the pot.
With a little olive oil maybe?
Yep. Now it's time to start putting things in the pot.
Brianna, can you put the oil in, please?
Yes.
Now, careful with the pot because it's hot, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to pour it all around in there in a little circle. And that is loads. Oh, that is more than enough. Gracie, what are we going to put in now?
We'll put in the butter.
Okay. So now we have the butter going in there. Now put that in the sink, the spoon in the sink. Okay, Grace. Now grab that and you're going to stir that up. Just move it around a little so that it melts, okay? Now as that's melting, Brianna, can you hand Gracie the sausage and the chicken, please?
Okay.
Okay, Gracie, can you take the sausage and chicken and you just get close? Stop. Now, Gracie, you dump it in, please. Oh, you got to get a little closer when you do stuff like that. Here, walk. I'm going to just show you a little trick. We want to get in close.
Sorry, Daddy.
And then, can you knock that piece in and then go wash your hands? No, just sit there. Now go wash your hands.
Sorry, Daddy.
I'm going to show you how to do this. And Brianna, you wash too. We're going to give this a stir. We're going to give it a stir like this, okay?
Okay.
Can you stir it for a little bit while this is cooking?
Okay.
And we want to get that to get it to a nice and white. Now, Brianna, are you excited to try this when it's ready?
Yes.
Okay, what's your favorite thing to make though?
Cheese buns.
Do you think cheese buns might be good to have with this tonight?
Yes.
Maybe we'll make those a little later. How's the stirring going, Gracie?
They're delicious.
Okay, I see the chicken's cooking a little. So Gracie, we've added the celery and the onions and we're letting them what?
We're going to let them sweat.
Right, and the celery and onions were pre-seasoned and this is going to be yummy, right, Brianna?
Yes.
So we need to give this a stir. Grace, can you give it a stir? You just let the vegetables sweat for a little bit here, which makes them soft and take on some flavor. And now it is time to what? What are we going to do with the wine?
We're going to deglaze the pan with it.
Yeah, so by deglazing the pan, we add the wine to this and we let it boil off because we don't want the food to be
Bitter.
right. So we're going to let the wine cook off once we add it. Brianna, can you hand Gracie the wine?
Okay.
And Gracie, when you add it in, you're going to stick your hand in the pot a little bit and you're going to dump it in, okay? Get close to it so it doesn't splash up, okay? And then we're going to watch this as it bubbles up for a minute or so.
Here, Brianna.
And that's going to let it deglaze and it's going to let it cook off the alcohol so there's no bitter taste. Gracie, can you give that a stir? Is it deglazing nicely so the bottom's clean? Because the other thing deglazing does is it takes the yummy food parts that are seared onto the bottom of the pan and it brings it up into the food so that we get all those flavors. Are you excited for the flavors, Grace?
Yep.
Brianna, are you excited for all this?
Yep.
Okay, so we've deglazed the pan with a bit of wine and it's burnt off so that there's no bitter taste in it.
Bitter taste.
Okay, and now we're going to add just a little bit of,
Milk.
okay. So we're going to pour the milk in and we're going to stir that around. That's just going to give us a little bit of creamy texture and it'll help soften and tenderize some of the meat. Okay. So as this is going on, you're going to stir that up nicely. And now, once we let that get to temperature again, we're going to add a few more things. Okay. This is when we start just dumping stuff in once it's all ready to go. Keep stirring. And you know what we're going to put in next, Brianna?
What?
Can you go around and get the diced tomatoes? That can over there. Okay. And bring that around.
Brianna, would you like to pour it in?
Yes.
Well, I might pour it in myself, okay? Because these will splash quite a bit.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll pour in the next
So, we're going to put these in. And we're going to stir that around. We're going to give that a nice stir, okay?
Now that it's cooked for a while in the tomato, we're going to let Brianna pour in some salt and pepper and then some chicken.
Okay, so Brianna, you got the salt and pepper, right? Which we got ready in the dish. Can you go ahead and pour that in? It's just for seasoning, and we just want to make sure that we have enough.
Make sure you get it a bit over here too.
Yeah, it'll all mix in. Dump it all in. It'll all mix in. Okay, so you keep stirring that, Gracie. And Brianna, you come over with the chicken stock. Okay, and can you pour that chicken stock in, Brianna? Do you need a little hand or are you good? Okay, dump it all in. Just turn it right in. You're doing great. Good job, girls. And we need a lot of liquid in this because the wild rice mixture we have will absorb a lot of that liquid.
That's good.
That's great.
Soon we're going to put in some dehydrated garlic.
And what else are we putting in?
And then we're going to put in some wild rice. And we're putting in the shrimp last for a reason.
And that reason is because we don't want the shrimp to be tough. If we put the shrimp in at the last minute, just so it cooks right at the end, it'll stay tender and not stringy, right?
Yep, and right now it looks like it's soup.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah, it really does. So, Brianna, do you think you can get Gracie the garlic?
This?
Yeah, the dehydrated garlic. And we're going to add that in just to give it a little bit of garlicky flavor.
Yep.
Then I'll hand her the rice.
Okay. So we're going to just stir that in real quick.
And if you notice, it does float.
Yeah. And there's a nice steam starting to come off that. It's really heating up nicely. Okay. And we're going to add in the rice now. Can you hand the rice over to Gracie?
I'm gonna watch this.
Brianna, can you hold this for a second?
Okay.
Okay. So there's 2 cups of a wild rice blend that we're going to put in here, and that's going to absorb most of that liquid when it starts to swell. Okay, give that a quick stir.
Brianna, can you take this?
Give that a quick stir, Grace. You girls are doing great cooking this. So now, once we get that stirred in, if we wanted to eat it, pretty close to right away, we'd keep boiling it on the stove. But you know what we're going to do, girls? We're actually going to put the lid on that. And we're going to pop it in the oven. Close to being done. So we want to add the shrimp in. So, Brianna, can you get the shrimp over to Gracie?
Right here.
And yeah, we pulled this out the oven. We don't want to leave the shrimp in too long to overcook and become stringy. Gracie, can you put the shrimp in?
like falling.
Use your fingers if you have to, and then you can just wash your hands.
Falling shrimp from over the
And remember that
sky.
person I was talking about who loves the shrimp?
Yeah.
That's my older sister, Lindsay.
Our
So,
older sister.
You're stirring that in nicely.
Yep.
Okay, that is looking delicious. That's okay. That's just a little splash. Okay. Yeah. Kind of silly, eh? So we're going to put the lid on and we're going to put this back in the oven. Okay?
Yep.
So we put this in the oven to cook away. Girls, can you close the oven door?
Yep.
I've helped them with putting it in the oven. It's a little heavy. And we're going to do what now?
We're going to check on it in a little bit.
Okay, so we leave this go for probably about an hour or so in the oven just to let it cook down and have the flavors socialize. So girls, you're going to check back in about an hour?
Yep. But at the end of every time you've cooked, make sure to wash your hands.
Go.
We're done cooking it. Now we're going to take the lid off and see how it looks. And then we're going to take a sample.
Okay, Grace, I'm going to take the lid off and we'll see how it looks. What does that look like, girls? Does that jambalaya look yummy?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, put some in that bowl. Okay. And we'll have a little sample. I'm going to get you just a little bit more in here. Okay.
Yum.
Okay, Grace, can you move that over? Or Brianna, do you want to move it over?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Let's let that sit for a minute. We've decided to try chicken and rice, and I'll try the sausage and rice. Oof. Hot. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Is that yummy?
Yep.
Okay, I think Daddy's going to try a little bit here too. Can I see your spoon, Brianna? That is delicious. You girls did a great job. What do you say to everyone at home? Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And what else do you always hear?
And see you soon.
What about, do you say subscribe, thumbs up?
And
Subscribe,
and
thumbs
hit the
up.
bell and give us a thumbs up.
Okay, thanks girls. That was fun.